I'm almost 30. Well, not really. Hey guys, it's Kiki. Today is a very casual vlog-ish type of video, and I'm going to talk about what I got for my 27th birthday. I'm a Sagittarius. I'm a very proud Sagittarius. Actually, fun fact, me and my husband are both Sagittarius, so we actually share many personalities. Okay, my birthday was in November, and basically I count whatever I bought in November as my birthday gifts. So that's why I have a very long list, and I have a lot of different things. I think half of them I bought it for myself, half of them my husband bought it for me. So it's either from me or my husband. And also our wedding anniversary was in November, so that's also why we bought a lot of stuff. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. First thing first is my new iPhone 12 Pro. This is not Pro Max, it's just Pro, and I got this color, the blue color. I think everyone got this blue color. This is a really great purchase because before this I was actually using iPhone 10 for a while, and this camera on here, honestly, it's insane. It's way better than your regular camera. I don't know if it's the same as the iPhone 11 Pro, but it's definitely better than any other iPhones out there because it has the 3 cameras. I know people say it's ugly, but honestly, the quality is insane. The video quality, the photo quality, it's so clear. Like, comparing to what I can take on this with other phones are honestly really bad. And also with the phone, I purchased a really cute case. It's a clear case with white and black tulips. I think they're tulips. This is from Kistify. Cute. I'm obsessed. Second thing is actually my official birthday gift from my husband. Is this ring set we got from San Francisco. Can you see it? This is a ring set from Dior. One of them says CD, the other one is a star, and the other one is a heart. So it's a ring set, meaning it has 3 separate rings. You can either put them together or separately on your fingers. Okay, the next thing we have right here is actually my computer setting. I've changed so much from this spot to this spot. This chair is what I want to introduce to you. This is so comfortable. Well, it's from IKEA, and it's the most expensive chair we've ever bought. It's about $300, and you may see it as a normal, kind of not that cute chair. This is my bullet journal. I'm gonna close it. This chair is so cushiony, but not too soft. You know, as a 27-year-old, I cannot just go after softness in chairs. It has to have certain support. So if you take a look at this, I don't know. This part supports your lower back, your lumbar area so well. It's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. And also you can move the back seat up or down, and also you can change the bottom seat forward or backward, so you can adjust it to the most comfortable setting. Great. Upcoming next, we have the Magic Keyboard. Well, nothing really special about this. It's just another keyboard that I can use with this screen, so I don't have to go back to my laptop every single time. So very handy right here. A sneak peek. If you're wondering what I'm wearing, it's a unicorn onesie. Ta-da! I'm a proud unicorn. Let's talk about the most recent purchase. Well, this is a gift from my husband. I believe it's actually a Christmas gift instead of a birthday gift, but whatever. So if you take a look at this pair of flats are from Chanel, and it's a brand new one, so it's not the classic type, but I believe this either came out early this year or sometime this year, I think. It's called Mary Jane Shoes Flats. It also has a heel version, but I tried both. This is actually cuter. We actually bought this on Black Friday at Saks Fifth Avenue with no discounts. That's what we do. Purchasing stuff on Black Friday with no discounts. Ow! Yeah, this pair of shoes are really elegant. They're really cute. I don't even remember when was the last time I ever wear flats, but those, I'm in love. MM6, Maison Margiela. I'm really a big Maison Margiela fan. So this also, I've talked about those in different videos, in the boots video, I believe. These are a pair of white boots with about 10 centimeters high of heels, but they're block heels, so they're okay to walking. And the toe area, you can see how it has an interesting shape, which should fit your feet perfectly. And yeah, they're really cute. And when I wear them, I got a lot of compliments from you guys. Next, I have this pair of Off-White by Nike or Nike by Off-White. I don't know how those goes, but this one is called Air Jordan 5, I believe. Yeah, those are Air Jordan 5, and I have this up there. I really want to cut it, but I'm really trying not to do anything. I've worn it like twice. They're not that comfortable, but cute. Next, we have a beanie. This beanie, I've wanted it for a really long time, but whenever it's winter, the beanies always get sold out so fast. And I purchased this one on Nordstrom website. I actually purchased it in a different color. I think I purchased it in beige, but they sent me the gray color, which is great because I actually love this color way more than beige, but it wasn't an option on the website, but they sent it to me, so thank you, Nordstrom. I don't want to put it on because my hair, I actually washed it last night, so it's pretty poofy at this moment, and I don't want to weigh it down or anything. You can have an idea. It's a really thick material, so it's not like your regular beanie. I can compare it with like a, let's see, with this beanie, you can see how the thickness is really different. I'm moving. Okay, guess where we're going? We're going to the kitchen. They say you're getting old, or you're mature when you're excited about kitchen appliances, which is me at this very moment. We actually purchased 3 different kitchen appliances. I'm about to show you. First thing first, we have this Nespresso machine from Nespresso, obviously. I used to have a small coffee machine, but I've been using it for a really long time, so I thought it would be great to have an upgrade, and here we have this. I also purchased a bottom glass set for it, so I can put all the cups in here, and then yeah, it just looks really fancy. I honestly don't know which flavor is it, but I'm going to do it. Coffee's ready. Now let's move on to this one. This is from Zojirushi, and this is a water boiler / warmer. So when you boil your water, it can go up to 4 liters. So it'll be great for both me and my husband to drink the whole 4 liters together in one day to ensure we are hydrated. And also they keep it at 195 degree Fahrenheit, which is about 90 degrees Celsius. So let's say if I want to use the hot water for some tea, then we can do it whenever we want to. It's really convenient. Here is my favorite cup. It's from Disneyland. Alright, last but not least, I also purchased a frying / saute pan set. And ta-da! Those 2 pans right here with the lid, they are from Le Creuset, which is a pretty famous / expensive kitchen brand. So here it has 1 saute pan, meaning it's deeper, and also it has 1 fry pan, and it has a lid that would fit both pans, so that's pretty convenient when it comes to switching lids. Honestly, they look pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm not missing anything. Well, I mean, I also got this camera pretty recently, but I guess it doesn't count. That being said, that's the end of this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. So my plan for this channel is that starting from now on, I'll try to do 1 English video per week and also 1 Chinese video per week. The English video will mainly focus on like this casual vlog type of video, and the Chinese video will be more formal with the lighting and everything. So if you like it, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Can you see my tail?